Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn value education. Lesson number 1, God provides for all. Yes, we all know God provides all our needs, that is, food, water, house, which gives us shelter, etc. He always loves us, He always takes care of us, He gives us strength टू फाइट इन डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम्स. कोई भी बुरे टाइम में गॉड हम लोगों को शक्ति देते हैं, ताकत देते हैं टू फाइट दैट डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम्स. ही समटाइम्स फुलफिल आवर विशेज़ एंड वी शुड थैंकफुल टू गॉड that he made such a wonderful beautiful world for all of us. So we should trust God and we should believe him, and and he is always with us each and everywhere. Okay, so let us move to the story. Have faith in God. I have explained you some paragraph, and shall we recall that paragraph, and I will explain you the rest of part. Okay, so there was one generous king, and two beggars used to came to generous king to take food and money. Okay, so every day king used to give food and money to that both beggars in the sense bhikari. Okay, so from one of that beggar, one was older beggar and one was younger beggar. दो beggars थे, older and younger. So king one day used gave them more money than usual. So एक दिन किंग ने कुछ ज़्यादा पैसे दिए थे दोनों को, बिकॉज ओल्डर वन used to say God provides and the other one, that is younger one, used to say king provides. So दोनों को किंग ने एक दिन कुछ ज़्यादा पैसे दिए थे. So what happened then? Again the older one said God provides, and so king को थोड़ा इरिटेट हुआ था. Means every day I am providing to the beggar. Why that beggar used to say God provides? So it is the time to learn who provides. So king ने एक टेस्ट लिया. Let's see what test king has taken. The next day when beggars came at the king palace for food and money, at that time king has told to both the beggars that when tomorrow you come for taking food and money, you choose other way to reach here. So you don't have to come on the same way. सही वो सेम रोड से नहीं आना है, कोई दूसरे रोड से आओ, क्योंकि दैट he has provided something special for the beggars. So now let us move page number 2, last second paragraph I am reading. The king made sure that the younger beggar who always praised him went first. He had ordered that purse of gold be kept on that road so he would find it. So king ने younger beggar को praise किया, and means king ने younger beggar को बोला कि that I have put a purse of gold on that road so that he can find easily. But the younger beggar walked down the road and he wondered why the king has sent him that way. फिर यंगर बेगर सोचने लगा क्यों किंग ने मुझे दूसरे वे से आने के लिए कहा. Why? That then he thought, yes, that road is really too beautiful and so broad कि हम लोग आइज़ क्लोज करके भी वो रोड पे चल सकते, इसलिए किंग ने बोला होगा. And he closed his eyes and he walked on that road, the younger beggar. But the older beggar was behind the younger beggar, and older beggar found that purse. So he picked up that purse. Now let us move to the third page of value education textbook. The next day, the king asked whether they had found anything on the road. So, फिर next day, the king asked both the beggar, "Did you find anything on that road?" The younger beggar said, "Yes, the road was beautiful, but I didn't find anything." फिर यंगर बेगर ने रिस्पॉन्स दिया, रोड बहुत अच्छा था रियली, बट वहाँ पे उसको कुछ मिला नहीं. बट आई डिड, सेड द ओल्ड बेगर. Then the older one said that, "Yes, I found something, a purse of gold that God provides to me." Now the king was even more determined to show the beggars that it was he who provided the purse. So king नाराज हो गया और उसने सोचा था कि जिसको पर्स ऑफ गोल्ड मिलेगा उसके पास पर्स ऑफ गोल्ड चला जाएगा. एंड ही गिव पम्पकिन टू द यंगर बेगर, और उसने यंगर बेगर को एक पम्पकिन दिया था. कद्दू हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं. विच ही हैड हॉलोड इट इन द सेंस उसने काट के, पम्पकिन को काट के उसके अंदर उसने सिल्वर कॉइन्स फिल्ड कर दिए. देन ही क्लोज द पम्पकिन. बट द बेगर डिड नॉट नो, बट दिस द किंग हैज़ डन, that beggar did not know. And on the way of home he sold it to the merchant. Then वो pumpkin, वो कद्दू उसने merchant को बेच दिया. Merchant means the person who is dealing, who is selling. So that is known as merchant. उसने बेच दिया. And he got some few coins of after selling that pumpkin. The next day again the king asked the beggars. फिर next day king ने उन दोनों भिखारियों को पूछा, if anything eventually happened that previous day. तो king ने पूछा, is some incident happened with you previous day? Younger beggar said, nothing happened except that I earned a few more coins by selling that pumpkin. तो younger beggar ने king को आंसर दिया कि I got few more coins and I sell the pumpkin. The king tried hard not to show any disappointment. So फिर king ने उसको निराश नहीं किया. And you, he asked the older beggar. फिर older beggar को पूछा, something eventually happened हुआ? Did you won? So the older beggar said, I certainly did. When he was passing to the merchant shop, he called me and he gave me a pumpkin. So जब वो older beggar merchant की shop से पास हुआ था, so उसने एक मुझे pumpkin दिया, कद्दू दिया. And I went home, और मैं घर पे गया. Then I cut it and I found it was full of silver coins. तो जैसे ही मैंने pumpkin को कट किया और देखा, रियली अंदर बहुत सारे सिल्वर कॉइन्स मिले थे, चांदी के सिक्के मिले थे. एंड एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो ही ऑलवेज से गॉड प्रोवाइड्स एंड ही इज़ थैंकफुल टू गॉड. Thereafter the king gave up trying because now he knew who is the real provider. Now king realized that really who is the real provider in this story. The older one, he is the real provider in this story. And student, I am sending you question answers PDF. You have to copy this 4 question answers in your value education notebook. 100, you have to make 100 pages notebook, and you have to write question and answer one time in your value education notebook. Thank you students. Have a nice day.